Hey guys, get ready with me for Davao Day 1. So we are in Davao already. We just arrived last night. Actually, sayang yung araw namin dito sa Davao yesterday because na-move yung flight namin. We were supposed to arrive here in Davao at 9 a.m. But then, our flight was changed to 7 p.m. So, sayang yung pwede namin magawa in Davao. Like, we were supposed to look for places that we can visit. Mapuntahan namin yung mga ibang tourist destinations here in Davao. So, sayang yung araw namin sa Davao. So, I'm with my dad. Actually, we went here because there is a motorcycle convention. It's like an annual thing here in Davao. Before I started riding the motorcycle, I knew about this convention already. And yeah, kasi it's a big event talaga. Pumunta si Papa dun na sa convention mismo, and he said na there were a lot of motorcycle booths there, mga test rides sa mga different motorcycles. And I am so excited also because when I posted on my social media accounts that I'm here in Davao, a lot of you guys messaged me also, and I can't wait to meet everyone. And I'm also looking forward to seeing familiar faces here. So actually, we saw a lot of motorcycles here na parked in front of our hotel, since yun nga, the event is just across our hotel. And then, nainggit kami ni Papa, kasi kami, lumipad lang kami going here. I mean, nag-plane lang kami going, lumipad talaga. But, guys, tomorrow, we have a scheduled ride going to the mountains. I'm not sure where or which mountain. Pero I'm excited kasi para daw yun yung malalaki nila dito doon sa Manila. So, malamig tomorrow. So anyway, commercial break. So, ito na yung kits namin for the motorcycle convention. May 3 beer daw. No. Okay, so we got these. Ito, first may shirt kami. And then we also have this lanyard. Ooh! Ayan, with my name on it. We also have this drawstring bag. Ayan, sakto. I can put my like other stuff here. And guys, grabe, sobrang init dito ngayon. Actually, lahat naman, I mean, sa buong Pilipinas ang init. So, tinamad kami ni Papa, lumabas ng hotel, lumabas ng room. So, we just decided to order food here. Ang saya. And gutom na ako. So, ayan guys, maririnig niyo yung tatay ko tambay ng Facebook yan. Diyan na uubos yung oras niya. Okay na ba? And actually guys, when we arrived here in Davao last night, we arrived na nga mga 10 p.m. ganyan. Tapos, we unpacked our things, ganyan. Tapos, nakasama namin yung mga ibang members ng boss, yung friends ni Papa. And then, we ate out. Surprisingly, may bukas pa ng ganong oras. As in, nakarating kami dun sa parang dampa nila ng mga 11:30. So, nagstay sila dun. Nag-OT sila for us kasi hanggang 12 midnight lang sila. We ordered a lot of seafood, tuna, ganyan. Tapos, atay, and then longganisa. Winner yung longganisa nila doon. Sobrang sarap. And then, ano pa? Basta sobrang dami namin in-order. As in, mga more than 10 kami. Mga 15. Tapos yung bill namin, guys, 6,900 lang. So, sobrang mura. As in, hindi namin in-expect. Tapos, ang dami pa namin hindi nakain. Kasi sobrang busog na kami. And on top of that, hindi lang yun yung food sa, like, kasama sa bill namin. May beer pa na siguro 1 case din yun. So, sobrang mura. As in, grabe. Sabi ko kay Papa, na doon kami mag-lunch sana ngayon, this afternoon. But, tinatamad nga kami kasi mainit sa labas. And, medyo 30-minute drive din siya from our hotel. So, yeah. Sayang. Pero, ang sarap ng food nila doon. So, this is what I ordered. Just your usual tapsilog. Nothing special. But yeah, I'll eat first. Kain. So, last is lipstick. Here. This is a matte lippy from Maybelline. But I use this parang as base lang. Because I'll be applying a lip tint here from Bare and Bliss. Para at least medyo redness, subtle red lips siya. There. Yay. So, this is the final look. Ayan, simple makeup ulit. This is my outfit of the day. So, it's just a plain shirt, bodysuit na shirt. Actually, this is Clea's. I'm not sure if alam niya na sa akin pa to. But thank you, hon. And this one is my favorite belt, of course. I always wear this. And then, I'm wearing my riding pants also because later I'll be heading to BMW to get the motorcycles. And then I'm wearing these boots from Zara, my favorite also because it makes me look super tall. But I'll be changing into my riding boots later then. And yeah, here's the fit. And I'm planning actually to tie my hair later since ang init talaga sa labas. But yeah, I really can't wait to share my adventures in Davao vlog soon. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.